In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to estimate a percentage. So if we have a problem like this one that says how to estimate 49% of 57. So you might think that looks a little bit difficult, but we could break it down and make it very simple because we're just estimating. We don't need an exact number. So first thing to do is find a number that is nearby 49%, and that can be converted to a fraction easily. So 49 is near to 50%, and 50% as a fraction is 1/2, right? 50% is half of something, which is 1/2. The next step now is to replace 57 with a number that is compatible with 2 and is near 57. So we want something that is compatible with 2 because our denominator here is 2. So we want something that we could easily divide by 2. So here we have 49% times 57. So this is what this is. Of means multiply. So 49% times 57 is what we're trying to solve for or estimate. So now we're going to put in our 1/2, and a number that is near to 57 is 56. We could have done 58, but why make things bigger? It's always better to work with a smaller number when you can. So 1/2 times 56 is equal to 28. So you just divide 56 by 2. So let's compare it to see how close it is to the actual answer. So if we take 0.46 and multiply it by 57, we get 26.22. That's pretty close to 28. And that's pretty close for an estimate. And that's how you do these kind of estimations to make math easier and quicker. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this, and you can check those out. You can also download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there, and you can click on the link that's in the ebook and it'll take you right to this video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.